Hello and welcome everyone to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about a put-away rule in ERPNext. So what is a put-away rule? It refers to the process of moving incoming inventory from the receiving zone to an optimal location for storage. As a process, a put-away involves more than just transporting inventory from point A to point B. In ERPNext, a put-away rule defines a warehouse assignment strategy for incoming stock. The prerequisites for creating this rule is to create a stock item and warehouse. And let's start creating a put-away rule. It is important to note that put-away rules are applied on the purchase receipt and the stock entries, such as material receipt and material transfer. Let's create a rule for the item Sprite, warehouse bin. Here the strategy is purely based on the capacity and the priority. Priority will be considered first, followed by free space. If two rules have the same priority, the rule with more free space available will be assigned. If you are running at full capacity and no free space in any warehouse, then ERPNext will let you know. Here in the item master, I have already defined the conversion factor. That's why here it has automatically calculated the stock UM. Let's save it. Let me create one more put away rule for the same item in the different warehouse. Here I am setting the priority to 2 and the capacity would be same. Now let us create a purchase order. I am creating a purchase order for 7 cartoons. Save and submit. Let us create a purchase receipt. We can see that there is no division because we have not checked the box applied put away rule. Once I check this, we can see that the items has been divided based on the rule which we have defined. Let's save. There are two kinds of put away rules. The one which we have seen is a direct put away rule and another one is indirect or combined put away rule. So what happens that the stock is often received into temporary or staging warehouse first. From here it is placed into appropriate locations within the warehouse. This is called indirect or combined put away rule. To simulate this within the ERPNext, a simple purchase receipt can be created into the temporary warehouse without put away applied. From here, a stock entry such as material transfer can be done where a put away rules can be applied similar to purchase receipt. Now there is a report. Let us submit the purchase receipt first. Now there is a report called warehouse capacity which shows warehouse capacities and their respective stock levels. Only warehouse having put-away rules will be listed here. The edit capacity button give the provision to edit the put-away rule capacity. Thank you very much.